The Lenten season is a time to share. Across our diocese, people are sharing their God-given talents with their faith community, and now you can share your gifts too.
The theme of the 2025 Diocesan Lenten Appeal is a time to share. Jesus shared the gospel message and built the foundation of our church. Acts of charity are central to this season, and your support of the Diocesan Lenten Appeal is critical to the mission of the church, including Catholic Charities.
Every year, about 5,000 families reach out to Catholic Charities for help, and many of them have little children. Think about that for a second. 5,000 families just in our corner of Western PA, Armstrong, Fayette, Indiana, and Westmoreland counties, who need things like rental assistance, baby supplies, help to pay their utility bills, money for prescriptions, and food. We collect, sort, and distribute hundreds and hundreds of boxes of food to help those in need. But we don't lose focus on the children. In fact, we have a baby closet where we collect donations for baby supplies, so those little ones have clothing, formula, and diapers. I'm really proud of our work with teenagers. More than 200 teenagers received gifts as part of our annual Catholic Charities Teen Christmas program. Your generosity made Christmas brighter for those teenage children and their families. Most programs provide gifts to children ages 12 and under, but very few do so for teenage children, which is why this program is so important. By supporting Catholic Charities, you will help sustain our mission to meet the human needs of those who reside in the Diocese of Greensburg, regardless of their religious affiliation, and to continue our endeavors in providing leadership by building collaborative efforts with parishes and communities in addressing these needs. Many children need your help, and Lent is a time to share your blessings with them.